In a bowl, add 3 eggs, 150 grams of sugar, ,80 milliliters of oil, 200 milliliters of milk, vanilla extract to taste. I have 300 grams of flour. To that I add 12 grams of baking powder. Lemon zest, peel and slice 3 apples, add lemon juice, add 50 grams of almond flakes. Bake it in a preheated oven on 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And here is the final result. Now all you have to do is enjoy. Thank you all so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. See you guys in my next one. Bye!